Military surplus lovers, I've got something very cool to show off today. This is the Granite Gear Chief Patrol Pack. This is an awesome piece of military surplus, which I need to thank a viewer for. He turned me on to this. You know who you are, buddy. I appreciate you big time. This is one of the coolest military packs that I've seen in a very long time. And this comes from the company Granite Gear. Just in case you do not know this, most backpacking companies make military products for the US government. With this pack here, this is the Chief Pack. And in this episode, we're talking all about it. Chief is actually an acronym. It stands for Composite Hybrid Interchangeable Ergonomic Frame Sheet. And this pack was designed to carry 100 pounds comfortably, survive a 40-foot drop, fully loaded, and it has to weigh less than 7 pounds. That was the requirements from the government for the SOF Patrol Pack, which you see here. The frame of this backpack, it can flex with you, it can flex with a soldier, and it always returns to its original shape. And it doesn't matter how much moving and how much bending that you've done. It never deforms like aluminum stays do. Now with this pack, it features a continuous frame sheet, which is made from reinforced thermoplastic. The contract for this backpack was awarded in 2008, where 46,000 of these packs were ordered. I have no idea if these packs are still being manufactured or not. I believe they are, but I do have some questions as to who is making them. And I say that because the company known as Katoma offers the Chief Pack. So I'm not certain if they make it or if Granite Gear does. Before taking a look at the pack, let's just go over some stats real quick for you all. The weight is right at 7 pounds. In fact, it's just a little bit shy than that, but not by much. The Chief frame sheet is fully adjustable for the soldier or for the user, and it can be fine-tuned for your fit, ranging from 16 inches all the way up to torso lengths of 22 inches. The base fabric for the pack is a 500 denier Cordura nylon. The webbing is 1000 denier, and all of the materials have been near-infrared signature reduction dyed. The pack features ideal tack zippers. The buckles and the hardware are from ITW Fastex Nexus. It is available in numerous colors and camos, including ACU camo, black, and coyote brown. It is a 90-liter backpack, which translates to roughly 5,500 cubic inches. This is a huge pack when you need it to be, but it can also be compressed to a much smaller form, which I will show you all in just a second. And for now, everyone, that's enough. Let's take a look at this backpack, and let's go over all the functions and features, because there is a lot. In fact, more than likely, I will forget something, because there's a lot to this backpack. Starting at the top of the pack, you have a grab handle. Now, you have two sets of zippers here. This zipper is for the top pocket. Then you have this back zipper here, and this is a little bit unusual. I believe this is for antennas, because this pack does feature a radio pocket on the inside of this. In front of that zipper, you have the lid pocket, and this is a huge lid. A ton of gear can fit inside of this, and this lid pocket can be accessed from the outside and also the inside. Going down on the lid, you have a 5x5 section of hook and loop. You have two buckles which secure the lid. The lid is attached to the backpack. It is not free floating. And here on the inside, you can see the zipper to access that lid pocket. Jumping over to the side of the pack, you have two compression straps. Down at the bottom, you have a hip belt adjustment strap. You have tons of PALS webbing right here. Going up, you have a zippered pocket compartment, which has a buckle on the inside so you can strap things down. And this pocket goes all the way down the side of the backpack. It's full length, and it offers a massive amount of space. On the other side of the pack, you have the same features. Compression strap, waist belt adjustment, and you have another zippered compartment which goes the full length of the backpack. On the front of the pack, you have the two compression straps on each side. You have a ton of webbing here in the front. Now folks, check this out. This is so cool. Up here on top, you have two compression straps. You have one for the sides of the pack, and you have another for the front of the pack. Check that out. The pack will open up, revealing the contents of the backpack. You have 3 compression straps on the inside so that you can hunker down your loadout, so there's no movement at all. This is an unusual feature, and it's one that makes this pack very comfortable to carry with a heavy loadout. This panel here secures at the top with Velcro. At the bottom of the pack, you have some PALS webbing so you can attach pouches and additional gear. Looking at the back of the pack, you have load lifters, you have a sternum strap with a quick release buckle. You have a very, very thick harness system. There's a ton of padding with this backpack. In fact, It's probably some of the most impressive padding that I've seen on a military backpack. It is very thick, it's very wide. The back is covered in padding. You have some lumbar support down at the bottom. Here with these shoulder harnesses, these are fully adjustable so you can adjust the torso length. You'll see the holes here in the frame. It can be raised and lowered for your needs. On the sides here, you have grab handles. You have the waist belt, which has PALS webbing on both sides. And now we can go to the inside of the backpack. Now folks, let's take a look here at the top again. I went ahead and put these buckles back on. So you have the buckle here for the front of the pack. Then you have the buckle here for the sides of the pack. So you can pull everything nice and neat and tight. You have a drawstring, and this opens up to the main body of the backpack. On the inside of the pack, you have the radio pouch. That is what you see right there. You have compression straps on the back side as well as in the front, which I showed you earlier. The NSN number is 846501-570-7449. I want to show you all what it looks like on the inside. You have the 3 compression straps. Then you have additional compression straps in the back. You also have a drainage hole in the bottom of this pack. Also folks, before I wrap this up, I forgot there are 2 additional grab handles right here on each side of the top of the pack. With this backpack, it does have the radio pouch, but you can also use that for hydration, or you can use one of the side pockets. It's up to you. You can also mount a hydration carrier on the outside, maybe on the lid or on the body itself. There's plenty of ways to strap additional gear to this pack, thanks to all of the webbing and tie-off points. As I mentioned before, this pack was designed to carry 100 pounds of equipment, and you can see that with the harness system. Not only that, it was designed to be worn with body armor. So the padding here, the shoulder harness system, is very, very thick. It is designed to take the weight of your loadout and disperse this over your shoulders, your chest, your back, and your hips. If you pick up one of these packs, you will see that this is very aggressive. It's very large, it's very padded. If you're wearing a t-shirt, you will notice immediately how wide this is, but at the same time, it's still comfortable. Is it the most comfortable backpack of all time? No. Why is that? Military products are designed for utility, then comes comfort. And that translates well with this pack. It is accurate. Doesn't it drive you crazy when you see a backpack and the sternum strap is twisted? It does me. You do have the quick release sternum strap. Just pull up on it and it pops out. Every single strap features a strap keeper. Every single one. The strap keepers are excellent. They do their job. They're easy to use. It's a nice system. So far in this video, I've talked about this pack from a civilian standpoint, but let's take a second here and let's talk about it from a military standpoint. If you're wearing body armor and you're wearing this backpack, you don't need the padding on the shoulder harness. You're not going to feel that anyways. The padding is removable. So if you're a soldier, you can take that out and not even carry it with you if you don't need it. Additionally, for military purposes, this pack does feature quick release buckles, so you can easily ditch this pack if you need to. Pop the waist belt, pop the buckles here on the side, you can drop this in an instant. All in all, folks, this is an incredible backpack. It looks like the FILBE pack, but the difference is this. This pack is super, super adjustable. You have the compression straps all over the place. You have compression straps on the sides, on the inside, on the back, the front. This allows you to fill this thing up as you need to, and then compress it so it's tight, it doesn't swing around, it's not like a turtle shell. I mean, you really can hone this to fit your body. Because of the way it was designed, the pack moves with you, it bends with you, but after you're done moving, it goes right back into place. Let's talk about price and wrap up this video. So I paid $130 for this pack, plus about $20 to ship it. For that price, it's an awesome deal. This is a heavily used backpack that's still in great condition. As far as quality goes, as far as construction and strength, it's right there with the best of military surplus products. It really is the design of this pack which sets it apart. It has all of these cool features which you simply do not see on other military products. Talking about price in more detail, at the time of filming, these ran all sorts of prices. I saw 100 bucks all the way up to 500. That was for a brand new condition, the 500. I did see one that was, I want to say it was $1,300, and it was the complete kit, the complete chief package. So you had the backpack and there was all sorts of other stuff. Without a doubt, if you want one, start looking now, get it now, because the price of these will continue to go up, especially as they become more and more rare. If you like military surplus, if you like the FILBE pack, this, in my opinion, is better than that one. I like the FILBE, but this is much better, much better. I love the compression straps. I love the adjustability. The adjustable torso length is incredible. So if you're a shorter individual like myself, you can get this to fit you and it fits you right. That was one of the problems with the FILBE pack, with the ILBE pack. It was non-adjustable. It was made for the most common of soldiers. So if you were tall or if you were short, the pack was uncomfortable. This here is fully adjustable from 16 inches all the way up to 22. That's great. So everyone, that is the Chief backpack from Granite Gear. What do you all think about this? In my opinion, this is a very cool military surplus product. I love that you can adjust this thing. It doesn't have to be a 90-liter backpack all the time. You can cinch it down. With the FILBE pack, it's just a huge rucksack. That's it. Very little adjustability when it comes to compression. So like you put it on and it's a turtle shell no matter what. But with this pack, it could be as small or as big as you need, depending on the capacity that you need. As far as hiking goes, it's comfortable enough. It's a military surplus product, so keep that in mind. All right. That's it. Make sure to comment down below, what do you all think about this backpack? How do you think it compares to other military surplus products? And speaking of which, what are your favorite military surplus products? This year, everyone, you're going to see a lot of military surplus on the channel. Oh yeah. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel. Support if you want to. The outdoor gear review is agenda free. Strength and honor. Be good. Bye, everybody.